Hello, I am José Antonio Lorenzo. I am the Data Area Manager at Lantek. Lantek is a multinational that is leading the digital transformation of companies in the sheet metal industry. With its patented smart manufacturing software, it enables factories to stay connected, turning them into smart factories. It rounds off its range of services with CAM, CAMF, MES and ERP solutions for companies that manufacture parts using sheet metal, tubes and profiles with any kind of technology, like laser, oxycut, water jet, punching and shearing. Sheet metal is our business and your business. We manage over 1,200 machine tool models, optimizing the availability of sheet metal parts by seeking maximum utilization of material and reducing scrap. We have the most advanced nesting algorithm in the world, product of continuous optimization in close collaboration with our customers and research centers. Reducing scrap and minimizing the cutting time as well as material transport is key. However, it's not just about nesting. There is more, much more. Watch this video.
One of the major costs in sheet metal, profile and tube cutting companies is, of course, efficiency of raw material. Any improvement in material utilization means substantial improvements in production margins. For Lantek, the use of material is a priority. Our products are designed to maximize the number of parts per ton of material. Want to know how? Follow me. At Lantek, we have developed the world's most advanced nesting algorithm. Lantek Expert optimizes the arrangement of the parts of sheet metal looking for maximum use of parts. But there's no point in optimizing the placement of parts if you then leave remnants that are difficult to work with. Our MES allows you to plan production orders by different parameters, making it possible to link different orders and reducing time and material consumption to a minimum. In addition, Lantek Expert automatically detects existing remnants in the warehouse and prioritizes their use before using a new sheet. Lantek also offers an augmented reality tool so you can take advantage of any area of material not being utilized. Our system can digitize a remnant with previous cuts, identifying the available areas and allowing you to insert any piece you want to cut in a simple and intuitive way. With Lantek, you will have real-time information from each machine, process or plant. You will be able to know real performance and see a job's progression in real time, compare material consumption on tons of final parts and much, much more. The result of all of this, an 8.2% reduction in scrap materials and a 30% reduction in on-hand inventory.
This is a nesting where everything begins. Our job is to provide you with the most efficient software so that scrap is minimized. In addition, cutting and evacuation time becomes as short as possible, and cutting routes are the most efficient to avoid collisions. All this depending on quality, type of material and thickness, and all in the easiest and most intuitive way possible. And this is where our adventure begins. Its nesting generates a huge amount of data, settings and configuration. All this, properly stored and managed, constitutes your other raw material, data. Data is a precious raw material often forgotten. Until now, the priority was to manufacture well, quickly and efficiently. Data was a side effect of program execution, but not regarded as important. Jigs and jigs of logs were usually stored without anyone noticing it until the disk was full. Now the scenario is changing. Storage and computing capacities have grown exponentially over the years, with the technologies to use the data becoming more affordable. Nesting after nesting, job after job, quote after quote, we get data. When we put all this information into operation, we begin to see efficiency gains. Now, this other raw material does have the potential to boost your efficiency. But as with the seed metal, you have to know how to deal with it. For example, we can provide personalized and accurate quotation systems. All this data provides priceless information to calculate the cost associated with each assembly, part or process. Once the geometry, material, thickness, and associated operations are defined, the system will calculate the estimated costs with incredible accuracy. Check this video.
Quoting is a key process of the metal manufacturing industry. The main challenge is to optimize quoting on three factors: precision, speed, and flexibility. Lantek has set itself to it. Follow me. Lantek Integra Quotes is the optimal solution for managing quotes for sheet metal parts, profiles, and product structures for metal manufacturers. Our algorithms quickly extract data from our CAD, CAM, and MES systems to know the associated costs of production with extreme accuracy. Since we are capable of quoting in a simple, fast, and automatic way, why not also have a simple, fast, and automatic platform? Lantek iQuoting is a cloud platform allowing anyone in the organization with access to make a quote anywhere, anytime, and from any device. Upload a part, indicate material and quantity, and the system will return a quick and accurate quote. Even more, the system is ready to quote directly from e-commerce platforms. Customers can automatically receive and accept quotes in the blink of an eye, so you can focus on acquiring new customers. Margins are another important variable when setting prices. At Lantek, we offer customers a specialized CRM for outsourcing, a powerful but simple environment for customers and vendor price management that is connected to operational costs for fast and accurate quoting. And the result of all of this, a 99% quoting accuracy and a 40% increase of on-time order deliveries.
Data to build core services in sheet metal business, as quoting or MES. But data is not only to be used in new applications and functionalities. Let's face it, data is the raw material that will help you improve your production efficiency. Have you ever realized how inefficient paper-based production is? Watch this video.
Digitization of manufacturing is not a fad, and it simply will not disappear. Digitization improves production efficiency, in return, increasing profits. There are hundreds of administrative processes: control, entry, bureaucracy, and data entry, for example. That represents millions of small losses in efficiency. With Lantek's comprehensive automated system, data travels every step of the way, achieving greater efficiency. Shared data enables complete traceability from quotation to production order, from nesting to job planning, from inventory to assembles, from delivery to invoice. It is no secret that the profitability of any factory is in being able to maintain a high efficiency in production. Availability, performance, and quality are the three indicators of overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, in each machine, process, and/or plant. The Lantek platform achieves increased production efficiency based on OEE measurement to see alterations and search for causes of variations experienced. Production planning, simple, fast and efficient. Real-time execution and control, information available from any device at any time. Quoting, manufacture order entry, planning, nesting, inventory, shipments, validations, invoicing, all without any paper travelers. The result? a 25% growth in overall plant productivity, a 40% increase of on-time order deliveries, and between a 12% and a 33.5% savings in material consumption.
So right, data is required for accurate quotation. It's a must for efficiency, but data also comes in handy to make decisions. In these times of COVID, Brexit and huge uncertainties, it's mandatory to make good business decisions. But what data do you build on? Because how much do you really know about your business? For instance, how long does it take for you to know the OEE of a machine or even an entire line? Do you know precisely the real profitability of each order? What is the cost of this knowledge? Could you get this information accurately, anytime, anywhere? Check this video.
Every day we must make important business decisions. The better the data on which the decision is based, the greater the likelihood that it will be appropriate. Data quality is measured in accuracy and timeliness. Lantek collects data, processes it, and makes it available to users in an intuitive and web-based tool, accessible from any connected device. Think of it as a consultation system accessible from any device at any time with real-time information. You can also view historical data to pinpoint trends. Lantek Manufacturing Analytics allows you to quickly access all relevant information for effective management of your production, from the OEE of machines, processes and plants, to the turnover of stock, consumables and real use of material. Valuable, relevant, updated and accurate information at your fingertips. With Lantek Customer Analytics, you can visualize the evolution of sales, costs and margins, deviation to quotes, sales performance, customer analytics and associated production. Manufacturing analytics and customer analytics are essential business applications that are available from any internet-connected device.
With Lantek Analytics, you will have a complete insight of your manufacturing activity. OEE, production, stock and efficiency of each machine, each line, each plant, each nesting, each material. But also a complete view of your commercial activity. Sales, margins, lead times, and more through KPIs of each customer, country and order, anytime and anywhere. So we agree, data is your other raw material to boost your business. But as any other raw material, you must know how to work with it. In our journey partnering with and supporting clients, we have found some common issues. The first one, for instance, heterogeneity. We find machines of different brands, different cutting technologies, different CAN systems, and different data structure. So the first step is clear. We must standardize the data. What should we do? Well, use a universal CAN system, unifying the machine management of different technologies and manufacturers. Switch to a single user interface, reducing training times and improving usage. And above all, implement a single data structure so that the work focuses on analyzing the information rather than standardizing it. We also find customers with isolated information systems. Companies' plants isolated from each other. Planning systems disconnected from the machines, and many other examples. In essence, ERP, MRP, MES systems that do not communicate. And here is our second step, connectivity. We need a common path for data, from the machining process to the invoice. An open system that can be connected to any other MRP or ERP module of the company. Data stored in connectable, synchronized, updated and always available repositories. In many companies, processes are incomplete. Data are not filled up properly, ignoring that valuable information is omitted for the future. The result is that the information, even if it's connected and standardized, is not useful because it's not clean enough. and cleaning and tidying up means a great deal of work. So the first step is to find the dirty data, sort it and clean it up by creating robust processes. At Lantek, we help you diagnose these problems through a data quality report, helping companies to have the best possible raw material, business goals, understanding and preparing data, modeling, evaluation and implementation. Other issue we have found is related with human nature. We have important cognitive biases and make mistakes introducing data. We also make decisions based on intuition. All this generates malfunctions and loss of effectiveness. This takes us to the last step, to automate everything possible. Avoid errors in data entry, reduce the possibility of personal bias, and provide the system with objectivity and intelligence, taking advantage of computer capabilities and machine learning, and why not, artificial intelligence. So this is it. We are Lantek, more than 30 years focused on boosting your sheet metal processes, and the perfect partner for your digitalization. A big word, quite easy to explain. Digitalization is just about taking advantage of your other raw material, data. Thank you very much. My teammates are here to answer any question you may have.